Hello, my name is Dr. Alexander Kutikov, and I'm a urologic oncologist in Philadelphia. I'm chief of urology and urologic oncology at the Fox Chase Cancer Center at Temple Health. And I have a very busy oncologic surgical practice in GU malignancy that involves all modalities, whether it be robotics, pure laparoscopy, or open surgery. Wellprept has really been transformational, both for our practice and for our patients. The patient-physician communication is now much more efficient, and it's much higher yield. And listen, this was done in education by Sal Khan when he established the Khan Academy around 2008. The idea is of an upside-down classroom where students really prepare for the lesson prior to walking into the classroom, and the classroom was used to harness the time of the lesson to really better understand the information, to answer all questions, and to really focus on things that the students, or in this particular instance, the patients, need more help in understanding. And Wellprept has really harnessed this idea of a Khan Academy for medicine. And we've been using it for over a year in our practice. All of our practitioners use it, whether it be our urologic oncologists at Fox Chase, our benign urology colleagues, or our physician extenders. We actually have included the Wellprept QR code on the back of our business cards, and our nurse navigators give the link to the patients prior to the visits. Most of the patients prepare. We also introduce Wellprept during the visit, and again, give the patients the QR codes to a particular page that they need to focus on, and review the information that they had already viewed. Or if they were reluctant to view it, we encourage them to view the information, and this has a readily available resource for them that can be updated at any time. And what the beauty of this is this is really curated information from each provider, and each provider's page in our practice is a little bit different. And you can use your own content, or you can use other providers' content really from across the world to better educate your patients. An unbelievable tool that has really streamlined some of the most challenging aspects of patient education. And I recommend it so highly to folks. It really has changed the way we practice. The response from patients has been uniformly positive. The tool really allows the patients to share information with their family members. For instance, for patients undergoing cystectomy, the complexity is immense. And for them to be able to share with their families the details of the procedure they're about to undergo and the kind of care that's going to be necessary following the procedure, to also review some of the tips and tricks. There are great videos out there that we've collated on our Wellprept pages for instance, managing an ileal conduit. And patients are incredibly grateful for this tool, to which they can reference really throughout their care, not even just around the time of the first visit, but really go back to Wellprept after time has passed, after their surgery, to try to review some of the nuances of care that are available on the Wellprept pages that we've built for our patients. I just had a patient the other day who's seen providers in Los Angeles and came to Philadelphia for an opinion, and he was incredibly impressed by Wellprept and just with the idea of, again, this upside-down classroom of preparing the patient for the visit and helping them direct their questions to the provider and use this consultation time most effectively. So patients from all walks of life are absolutely thrilled about this ability to share information with them prior to the visit, and also to reinforce some of the concepts that were introduced to them after the visit, and also to be able to share the information that was about which they were educated with their families. I mean, this is just so easy for them to send a link and share these Wellprept pages with their families. So really an incredible tool. Simply put, Wellprept improves patient care and makes patient care more efficient. Every provider is looking for those tools where at the end of the visit, the patients are satisfied and all their questions were answered. And Wellprept enables you to do just that. Really a transformational tool in both a new practice and also an established busy practice. It helps your practice build, and it also allows you to honestly see more patients and provide better care while you're seeing them.